in this video, we're going to use grouping as a strategy to factor here. One thing to know is that when we factor by grouping, there needs to be 4 terms. Because what we're going to do is we're going to take the first 3 terms. I apologize. We're going to take the first 2 terms and we're going to ask ourselves, what do they have in common? You may notice that they both have an x to the second power. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that x to the second power on the outside of a parentheses. Then we're going to fill the parentheses with what we get when we take the first term and we divide by that x to the second, and the second term, what we get when we take the second term and divide by the x to the second. That leaves that x squared on the outside, but now let's simplify here. I'm left with 3x, and x squared divided by x squared is a 1. Okay, let's do the same thing with the last 2 terms. Going to ask yourself, what do they have in common? Well, both of them are multiples of 4, and they both have a minus. So I'm going to take out a minus 4, and then I'm going to put inside the parentheses what I get when I divide each of those terms by a negative 4. Okay, so let's see what we get. Negative 12x divided by negative 4 is 3x. And negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive 1. So I want you to see that both of them have a 3x plus 1. That's very important. So we're going to have a 3x plus 1 as part of our answer. And then I want you to see the second parentheses of our answer. We take the terms that are on the outside. So we take the x to the second, and we take the minus 4. And now we have factored by grouping. It's a little bit of a step-by-step process that I want you to watch for. But remember, factoring by grouping always starts with 4 terms.